You know that person who gets weirdly hyped when they throw stuff away? The one who treats cleaning their room like it's some huge life event. The one smiling while carrying 3 bags of old clothes to donate. Yeah, they're not just being dramatic, they might be feeling a real psychological reward. And, according to researchers, there's a reason some people feel instantly better the moment clutter disappears. See, when someone finally gets rid of things they don't use anymore, old shoes, random boxes, clothes they forgot existed, the brain often feels relief first and reward second. That little feeling of, is powerful. Because your brain loves closure. It likes when unfinished things become finished. And clutter? Clutter quietly feels unfinished. That pile in the corner, that drawer that barely closes, that chair covered in clothes, even when you ignore it, your brain usually doesn't. Psychologists often connect visible mess with mental overload, because every object in sight can become a tiny reminder. Use me, move me, organize me, decide about me. One object is nothing. 50 objects, different story. So, when someone throws half their room away and suddenly looks happier, they may not be obsessed with cleaning, they may be reacting to mental relief. But here's where it gets interesting. Some people don't just enjoy decluttering. They get addicted to the reset. The fresh room, the empty shelf, the clean desk, the feeling of starting over. And according to behavioral psychology, fresh starts can feel motivating. That's why people love Mondays, new months, birthdays, new notebooks they never use. A clean room can create the same illusion. It feels like life is changing, even when nothing else is. And this is where people split into 2 groups. Type 1, the releasers. They remove what they don't need, feel lighter, then move on, healthy, balanced, slightly annoying. Type 2, the repeaters. They clean everything, feel amazing for a day, then slowly fill the space again. More shopping, more random stuff, more "I'll organize later." Then, one weekend, they do it all again. For them, it's not about space. It's about chasing the feeling space gives them. Because when life feels messy, controlling a room feels easier than controlling reality, and honestly, most people don't notice they're doing it. They think they need better storage boxes, better shelves, better systems. Sometimes they just need less stuff. So, which one are you? The person creating freedom, or the person renting peace for one afternoon? Because decluttering can be healthy. But if you constantly need to restart your room, you may be avoiding restarting yourself. The next time you feel that sudden urge to throw everything away, ask one question first. Do I need less stuff, or a better life? That answer explains more than your room ever will.